Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to spend hours reading reviews. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. In the left corner, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and in the right corner, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Buckle up because this is going to be an epic showdown. Alright, let's kick things off with camera quality. The RADCLO mini drone sports a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like the GoPro of the drone world but on a budget. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is rocking a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. This thing is basically the James Cameron of drones, ready to film your next blockbuster. So if you're looking to capture your neighbor's backyard barbecue in stunning detail, TOMZON's got you covered. But if you just need decent aerial shots of your cat sunbathing, RADCLO will do the trick. Next up, let's talk about price. The RADCLO mini drone is a steal at $62. It's like finding a $5 bill in your pocket you didn't know you had. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is $159. It's like buying a fancy dinner for two, but you get a drone instead of food. So if you're ballin' on a budget, RADCLO might be your new best friend. Battery life is crucial. No one wants their drone to die mid-flight and crash into Aunt Karen's garden gnome collection. The RADCLO mini drone gives you 22 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But the TOMZON P5G flexes with a whopping 36 minutes. That's enough time to fly around, take some epic shots, and still make it back for dinner. TOMZON wins this round with flying colors. Ease of use is where things get interesting. The RADCLO mini drone is super beginner-friendly with one key takeoff, landing, and stable altitude hold. Even your grandma could fly this thing. The TOMZON P5G, however, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has GPS auto-return, follow-me mode, and custom path flight. If you're a tech geek, TOMZON will make your inner nerd scream with joy. But if you just want to get up and go, RADCLO is the way to fly. Last but not least, let's talk build and portability. The RADCLO mini drone comes with a carrying case and extra accessories, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Its larger body size gives it a bit more stability in the air. The TOMZON P5G is lightweight at under 250 grams, so you don't need to worry about FAA registration. Plus, it comes in a waterproof carrying case. Basically, it's ready for anything short of a zombie apocalypse. Summarizing the reviews, RADCLO mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it a hit among families and beginners. However, some users pointed out issues with wind stability and joystick quality. On the other hand, TOMZON P5G GPS drone is lauded for its superior camera quality, feature-rich design, and stable flight, though a few users faced connectivity issues with newer smartphone models. So who's the winner in this drone duel? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're all about budget and easy flying, the RADCLO mini drone is your new sky buddy. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for superior camera quality, longer flight time, and a ton of features, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone is the way to go. Either way, you're getting an awesome drone. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic comparison. And let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.